Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to adjust your Mercedes E-Class steering wheel. First, locate the adjustment control, usually a lever or button, on the steering column. Ensure your vehicle is safely parked and stationary before making any adjustments. This control allows for both tilt and telescopic movement, giving you full command over your driving position. Let's get started. Now, let's focus on the tilt adjustment. Gently move the steering wheel up or down to find a height that feels most comfortable for you. The goal is to achieve clear visibility of your instrument cluster and ensure your arms have a natural, relaxed bend when holding the wheel. Experiment with small movements to find your ideal vertical position. Next, we'll adjust the telescopic reach. Pull the steering wheel towards you or push it away until your arms have a slight bend at the elbows when your hands are on the wheel. This ensures proper control and reduces fatigue on longer drives. Avoid fully extending your arms, as this can compromise your steering ability and comfort. Once you've found your perfect steering wheel position, remember to lock it securely into place. This is crucial for safety and to maintain your preferred setting. Before driving, gently test the wheel to confirm it's firm and comfortable. Always ensure your new position does not obstruct the airbag deployment path for maximum safety.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.